Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. Today we are reviewing a program called Post Leads. This is a Google Chrome extension that you can install and then connect your Facebook account, configure your Facebook groups, set up a monitor, and then have it go through and monitor your Facebook posts that are within those groups. And if a group triggers a keyword, then it will either use an AI comment or a predefined comment that you've set up and comment on those posts. So practical application would be if you are a plumber, you would set this up in your area, you join a bunch of homeowners groups, then if someone says, hey, anyone know of a plumber in XYZ town, it would automatically comment on there, hey, we are so-and-so plumbing, here's our information, email, phone number, website, send us a message on our Facebook page, use this link to book a call or to book a schedule a visit, whatever the case may be. And so similar, you could use plumbing, electrician, any service, consultations, if someone's looking for an advisor or investment person or an accountant, whatever service you have or thing you provide, you could set it up to trigger groups in those areas. So we have a playlist on the Internet Hustler YouTube channel. I'll put that in a card here. You can check that out and watch how to set it up and configure it all. And then now, of course, this is the review. So does it work? All right, a couple things on the review side of things. Number one, you need to leave this monitor open all the time. So don't open the extension in multiple tabs. Keep it open for it to continue working. Basically, if you close this, it stops working. If you shut your computer down, it stops working. If you go on vacation and the computer goes to sleep, it stops working. So that's a big problem for me. It should be on the cloud. It should work all the time. All right, especially at a monthly fee, they should be doing that for you. Next thing, going through the groups. You see I have 167 total, 6 selected, 104 public, 63 private. Only 6 selected. I mentioned this in the Internet Hustler YouTube video when it was setting up the groups. I don't like the fact that you can only select certain groups. You can't have categories. Like, for example, I have right here the timeshare and vacation groups selected. This is a ton of random groups that I have just for all the different videos that are going on and different things that we've been posting or testing. Right now, that's it. Well, what happens if I say, well, I want to do all of these Christian, not the books, but like these Christian books, God is My Life, Walking with Jesus, Followers, Believe in Christ, these right here. What if I want to do another group, another set of posts or another monitoring of these groups of people who say, I have a prayer request, and then I would have an automatic comment like, send me a message with your prayer request and I'll pray for you, or whatever. Or I gave an example of financial advising, or if I'm a book publisher and I want to go over here to readers and authors and indie book groups and people like this one, indie author book promotion. Well, people promote their books in there. Maybe someone needs help publishing a book. And so someone might comment in there saying, I need help publishing a manuscript. Well, then I might want to comment like, hey, I'll help you publish your book. Here's my services. Or anything. You name it. There are different things like here, the podcasters. What if they're looking for a guest and someone posts in here, I'm looking for a guest speaker. Boom, I could comment, hey, I want to be a guest speaker. XYZ. And so the point is, you're probably a member of multiple Facebook groups. It would sure be nice to set up different categories where you could say, I want the timeshare one here. I want the prayer request one here. I want something else over here. And so you have like 4 or 5 different triggers in different groups that are monitoring all simultaneously. That would be really cool. That's not available right now. The next thing, so this is the groups. Then let's go to monitor settings because you need to set up this. Right now, it says rent a week. Post description is commenting on where they are looking to buy or rent a week. And then I have AI response, and then it will craft a response based on my prompts here. Then, if you didn't want that, you could do a predefined where it would just comment the same thing every time. That one I would not recommend because if you're all of a sudden commenting on a bunch of posts, the same exact comment, Facebook is going to block you for spam. So don't even try it. It would be nice, though, if you could switch to predefined responses, and then you could put Spintax in here, and it would do that for you. Now, some of the other programs that this guy has run with Spintax, but it's hit and miss, so I would just stick with the AI for now. But how cool would it be if this monitor settings, I could set up this one for vacation, and it would be in like a category here, then I could click on my other one for the next category. See what I'm saying? After you set this up, you need to go to the monitor status. and then you need to make sure the monitor is running. You can see your daily comment limit, sleep range, keywords set, and then AI generated. Now, one thing that's to note, if you want to enter in another keyword, like let's just do test and hit add, it is the same keyword with the same thing. So it just finds this keyword and comments the same stuff here. It doesn't give you like another keyword and then other things here. So you couldn't do like prayer request and then have your own separate comment for prayer request. Whatever keywords you enter, it's going to comment the same prompt, the same comment on those keywords. So to me, that's a big disadvantage that you can't separate out that, but maybe for you, if you have one service you're offering, it would work very well. Analytics. It's checked 9 posts, it's matched 0, commented on 0. All right, that's pretty much all we need to say there. If it had matched posts, it would show it down here, but we don't have any matched. Matches. Match post 0, unmatched 0. All right, this is already a problem because this is a discrepancy. Unmatched 0, yet it checked 9. If it's checked 9 and it hasn't matched any, by definition and simple logic, it has unmatched 9. You see what I'm saying? Do you follow me? Unmatched should be 9, but it's not working. So not matched, manual, matched. Now, here is the next point that I'm going to make. All right, it's checked 9 posts. One of the groups, let's go to my groups just to prove what I'm saying. Search groups, Hilton right here. Hilton Head Spinnaker owners, public group, this group right here. All right, it's selected. You can see it's blue. You don't believe me? I'll show you. We'll find it here. Hilton Head right here. Okay, it's selected. It's blue. It's part of the selected groups. It should be part of, now it's checked 12, still matched 0, commented on 0. All right, let's go to this group. Okay, an anonymous participant. So funny. I'm an admin of this group, so you can see. All right, anonymous participant. I would like to rent a week. What's my keyword? Monitor settings. Rent a week. Is there a comment? No comments. Okay, let's go to another post. Does anyone have a week for rent? So this one is literally the keyword we specified, rent a week. Please let me know if you have a week available to rent. So like 2 types of hopeful keywords there. Nothing. All right. Does anyone have a week for rent in August? No comments. Very, very interesting that it has rent a week, which is my exact comment, my exact keyword, and analytics, it's checked 12, matched 0. So that tells me right there that this program is not working properly. Now, I'm not sure what I can do to try to fix that because I've tested it out with some different keywords. I've tested it out with some different groups, some different settings. So far, it hasn't worked for me. Let's try to refresh. Monitor settings, let's go back to analytics, still 12. Dashboard, we're still at 12. Post scan, 12. I wish it would show you what groups the posts were in or something like that, like where it has scanned them, kind of like how it does on the matches or the analytics here where it says matched posts, and then what it was. It should say all the other posts, but I guess that would be a really long, exhaustive list if it's already got 12 and hasn't matched any. But again, then it should say unmatched 12. So something's wrong with Post Leads software. If you are using it or if you have tested it and it is working for you, please comment below. In addition, if you have any questions or comments, please comment below. I'll do what I can to help you out. Hopefully you have more success with this as I'm just testing it so that hopefully if you watch that playlist on the Internet Hustler YouTube channel and you watch this video, it gives you a good determination and overview of whether or not you would like to try it for yourself. If it fits for your business, if you offer a service, I think it would be a great tool. But for me, I don't have services or something like that. I mean, I'm testing this. So I guess I could join product testing groups or something and try to promote in there. But a lot of it, the fact that you need to leave this up and running 24/7 and never shut your computer off, I'm already out. I don't want to use it. So as soon as it moves to the cloud, then I'm ready to go. But for now, I'll test it out. Hopefully it helps you guys. If so, please comment below saying that, you know, this video provided you some value. I would really appreciate that. Hit that bell icon, like button, and subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. Thank you.